You are currently trading the most valuable asset in the universe for cheap dopamine, and you don't even realize it. You have more access to information, tools, and leverage than any generation in human history, yet you are likely paralyzed by a screen. 2,000 years ago, a man who possessed ultimate power, the emperor of the known world, struggled with the exact same distractions. His name was Marcus Aurelius. He didn't have algorithms fighting for his attention, but he had the weight of an empire, wars, plagues, and endless political noise. Yet, he built an untouchable mind. Today, we are opening the Emperor's Protocol. This is how you stop drifting, tear down the noise, and architect your focus. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his private journal, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." We treat time like an infinite resource. We say, "I'll start the business tomorrow," or "I'll build the discipline next week." The emperor understood that tomorrow is a myth. The first step to building a mental empire is a ruthless audit. Every hour you spend consuming trash content is an hour you stole from your own potential. The modern grind requires you to stop negotiating with your comfort. The Forge doesn't accept excuses. Track your hours for just 24 hours. You will be disgusted by how much time you bleed. Plug the leak. The second protocol is the filter. Aurelius stated, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. And this you have the power to revoke at any moment." You do not have to have an opinion on every internet argument. You do not have to react to every breaking news alert. That is other people building a house inside your head. You are the architect. You decide what gets through the door. When you feel the urge to break your deep work session, recognize the impulse. It is just an external frequency trying to pull you out of the forge. Acknowledge it, revoke its power, and get back to the blueprint. Finally, the emperor despised theoretical philosophy. He didn't want to just think about being a good man. He demanded action. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. You have watched enough podcasts. You have read enough self-improvement threads. The data gathering phase is over. The execution phase begins now. Perfection is the enemy of the architect. Build the imperfect system today. Take the messy action. Consistency is the steel that will reinforce your mind. The crowd will always choose comfort. They will always choose the drift. But you are here because you demand more from yourself. The blueprint is in your hands. It is time to build. If you are ready to stop drifting and start forging, subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the inner circle. Let's get to work.